Makakalimutin ka na ba? Nako, alam mo ba, according to research, here are the 5 reasons why nagiging makakalimutin tayo. Lack of sleep. Without enough rest, the brain struggles to store and retrieve information. Number 2, chronic stress. Stress divides your focus, making it harder to retain information. Number 3, poor nutrition. Diets high in sugar and processed foods contribute to brain inflammation and sluggish condition. Number 4, aging. Processing speed decreases, making it harder to remember new information. And number 5, information overload. Constant distractions from phones, social media, and multitasking overload the brain, making it harder to focus and retain information. So, alin sa mga nabanggit ko yung totoo sa'yo, bakit ka nagiging makakalimutin? Sana wag mong kalimutan na alagaan mo din yung sarili mo kasi mahalaga at importante ka rin sa mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. Sa dami ng iniintindi mo, iniisip mo, inaalagaan mo, nakakalimutan mo na minsan yung sarili mo eh. Remember, you have to love yourself first before you can love others. Just the same that you have to allow God to love you so that you can love others. Oh, huwag mong kalimutan lahat ng natutunan mo today ha, kasi baka mamaya pagkatapos ito, makalimutan mo na naman. Remember that you deserve the love that you give to others too.